Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. It's your man Boss Gang VIP back with another weekly money watch. I hope your weekend was absolutely fantastic. I got a lot of work in. I'm looking forward to having an absolutely amazing upcoming week. This last week was affected by some global events, as you may know. So we got spikes in oil, a lot of volatility in the market, but I expect a lot of bullishness going forward, and we're going to try to see if we can take advantage of some stocks that have been showing some relative strength in the market. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you can get the updates as soon as they drop. Let's get into it like we always do. Quick update on the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely according to plan. We actually reached new all-time highs last week, and we're kind of hanging out at those highs, trying to see if we can get a breakout, right? Push this thing even higher. So, if you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, make sure to send them over to the channel, and we'll go ahead and help them out. Let's get into the economics calendar for the week so we know what to look forward to. This is the week of June 16th. Options expiration week. So Monday, pre-market, Empire State Manufacturing Survey, U.S. retail sales on Tuesday, pre-market, import price index, industrial production, business inventories, home builder confidence index. Wednesday, housing starts, building permits, initial jobless claims, and FOMC interest rate decision, and along with the usual press conference with Fed Chair Powell. Let me know in the comments, do you think the Fed will cut rates, raise the rates, or keep the rates exactly the same? How many rate cuts, if any, do you think we'll get before the end of the year? Thursday, June 19th, the market is closed. There are no events scheduled. That is Juneteenth holiday. Friday, Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey and U.S. leading economic indicators as far as the almanac for the week. Monday of quad witching week, Dow has been down 15 of the last 27 trading sessions. Monday is historically bullish. Tuesday, more bullish than not. Quad witching week, often up in bull markets and down in bear markets. Mixed activity Wednesday the 18th. Thursday, of course, the market is closed. And then Friday, June witching, quad witching, day mix, down, but down 8 of the last 9. So we'll see how that goes. Regardless, we're going to go ahead and into some setups that I'm looking at for the week and see if I can help you guys out. Let's get into it. So first ticker we're going to be looking at is Kinder Morgan. This one has been in a strong uptrend. It's been definitely consolidating. So we want to see if this thing can go ahead and push back up. This actually finished pretty strong going into the close. We want to see if this continues. So we actually got a 15-minute above $27.67. And then we want to see if we can get up to this broad information around $28.78 as a good start. So yeah, KMI. I'm sure you're familiar with KMI. So nothing, no corporate data or anything like that. So, crazy uptrend. it's been squeezing, so we'll see if that can, continue to be strong and push up. So you can kind of see what it looks like on a quarter. I'm sure it'll turn this green and then potentially a 2-2 quarter back the other way. Other stock we're going to look at KTOS, a little defense. 2 to 30 minute above a 41.78. Let me show you what that looks like. That's here. Um, sorry, oops, it's not a 2-2. It's a 2-1-1-2. Let me edit this. It's a double inside break on the 30 minute. Right. So got this two here. We got these double inside bar. We're looking for the break above this second inside bar on the 30 minute. And that's above $41.78. So trigger is 2 cents away. Obviously, this has been an absolute monster. So we want to see if we can get some continuation there. And then if we do, first stop, we're going to be looking at yearly broad information around 45 and a half, $46 as a start there. So we'll definitely see how that goes. The last one we're going to look at is Boston Scientific, ticker symbol BSX. This has been super strong as well. Super, super strong, right? So this quarter is red. It's pushed up off the lows, and we want to see if this is going to turn green. If we take a look at the year, we could see, it's absolutely phenomenal, right? But on this quarter, we got some corrective activity. So we want to take advantage of that, see if it can push up, potentially get back over these highs of 107 and make some new highs. What are we looking at? We're looking at around 108 and a half. And as a bonus, something we've looked at a few times, and I'm gonna go back to it, is Honeywell. As you can see, it's been alerted actually a couple times, and I imagine that this will continue to go. It went outside quarter, so I imagine we'll still get around to that 244, 245 level. The original entries on this one, we had them around 195.82. Then we had them around 209.53. And as you can see, this continues to go, and I don't see any reason that this would stop right now. Previous highs around were 240, 277, and we're looking to get over those highs around that 245 mark. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. If you guys get any wins, if you have any questions or anything like that, make sure to put those down in the comments below, and I'll respond to those if I get the time. Looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. This is your man, Boss Game VIP, with the weekly money watch. I'm out. Peace.